Here we have here this Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI match 95 PS. Now the motor is in a great way and it has a good spec as well, including an automatic post-collision brake, rear tinted windows, front and rear parking sensors, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, and that is alongside these 16-inch Minas alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, a driver alert system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.